Hey, traders, and welcome back. I've been, this whole earnings season, I've been doing previews before the actual trades. Some of you were complaining that I was doing too many trades after, and so I decided to start doing some previews before. Uh, one of the trades I've been looking at and really looking forward to this earnings season is Ralph Lauren. And if you've been following my blog at all, you'll know that I've been fairly bearish on this sector for a while now. You can see since 2015, the stock has been getting hammered, but not just the stock, but um, the entire industry apparel has been getting smashed. And we can see here that we've had a little bit of a bounce, and I want to take advantage of this. Now, the first thing we have to check is we want to go and check and see what the expectations are. And we can see here estimates are 97 cents. Now, the very first question that you ever want to ask yourself when you're trading earnings is you want to ask yourself, has the move been priced in yet? Okay, and that's the very first thing you want to look at. You want to say, okay, um, you know, is that move been priced in yet? So if we take a look at the previous earnings date, which was back here, a very simple thing to do is say, is the market higher than the previous estimates? Earnings came in at 90 cents, and now we are expecting 97 cents, and the market is higher. So we have priced in this move already. Does that make sense to you? Now, I know a lot of retail traders struggle with this problem. This is one of the reasons why they don't understand or enjoy fundamental analysis that much, because they get lost in the fact that moves can be already baked into a price. So even if Ralph Lauren were to come out, let's say they came in at 98 cents right now, um, or even 99, that move has already been baked in. The market is expecting them to beat earnings, okay, or at least meet earnings. So that is a very interesting situation that we have, okay? So um, that's exciting because it offers up some really great opportunities. Now, if we believe that they're going to miss this number of 97 cents, and I do very much believe that they're going to miss that number. Now, this is an educational video, but I can't teach you everything that I've learned in 30 years. But my fundamental analysis says they are not going to meet this. They're not going to beat these expectations. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't be surprised to see them come in lower than 80 cents, 85 cents. Okay? So this gives a phenomenal opportunity. And looking at the basic order flow, um, I'm very excited because I have a lot of strength behind me on this trade. Okay, so I think this offers up a great trade. So let's go take a look at some puts, shall we? Okay, so here's the chain on Ralph Lauren. All right, and we can see here the at the money puts. I want to go 25 days out on this one. You see, Steve, why are you going so far out? Because I'm longer term bearish on this stock. And yes, I'm going to get more bang for my buck if I buy the short term puts, but I also I also have to get rid of those because there's going to be so much high IV premium built into them. It's not funny. So I don't want to let that high implied volatility spank me. And you can see that the 4-day puts are trading almost as much as the 25-day puts are trading. Okay, what the heck? 4-day at the money are 265, 280. Okay. So you can see it's not going to cost us that much more to go out 25 days to September 30th, right? So I'm all over this trade. All right, I'm going to do this trade with some fairly decent size. Um, I think the trade has tremendous potential. Just looking at the chart, and I'm going to remember I got 30 days to make this trade work. Um, I think we could get as low as 70.30 on this in the next 30 days. Hopefully it'll be one day, but I do think over the next 30 days, 70.30 is well within price range. Now you might say, Steve, why do you believe that? Well, if you look at the order flow, basically what you see here is this, what's called in market profile terms, uh, uh, this is called compression as the market compresses higher. Okay. Now, if you look at other market profile terms, we have this big balance area over here, which basically the point of control is about 80.38. Now, why is that really important? Because there's going to be a ton of volume sitting in that. If you were looking at a market profile chart, you'd see a huge bell curve that looks like that right now, okay? Now, I'm not a big fan of market profile, but there are contexts where you can use this information and you can exploit the information. Okay, so I expect this market to go a little bit higher. That's why I'm not putting the trade on right now. I'm going to wait probably till around the close. I would love to get this off somewhere around 80, 50, 80, 70 looks about right to me. And so I'm going to wait a little bit before I put those puts on and then just see where it is at the close. So my target is going to be 70.26 within 30 days. There you have it. That's my trade. Hope you guys enjoyed that. We'll come back and take a look at that and see how I do. Bye for now.